Hello everyone, I'm Nistha and welcome to my channel NJVD Studio. So first of all, let me fix that. Mm.
Oh my, what a tough crowd you are!
Let's choose from one of stories that I created. So this is Here We Are in the Mind of Trisha. If you don't know about it, you can go and read it. Here we are with butterflies. This happened. No, I think this place is little dangerous. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, now let's go somewhere safe. So in today's video, I want to share some of my coloring process. In the previous video, I showed you how I did the line art and like how I make animation and the rough part and then line art. So in this video I'm going to show you the only this part of the animation I created, the head explosion part. The first step is we are going to add base colors. After adding base color we will add shadow, lightning, light, not lightning, light. We'll add light and all the details after that. So yeah, I chose two teams. Before I decided the colors, I was like really doubtful because colors can be difficult, especially in India. Because I did not wanted to make a video like add color green or like orange because I don't trust people, you know. They start to cancel anyone over anything these days, so I just did not wanted to take any risk because I am new, and as a new creator I just did not want to take any risk. But also in my heart I want to take risk, like after like adding base colors in the character, we are going to add the blood, red blood. Like you must have seen some red bloods in your feed in 20th July.
कितना 10 आवर 12 आवर 9 आवर कितना कितना पूरा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया ये आधे का
I'm just like really itching to talk about this stuff, make more about these stuffs and these issues, and because you have to question, you have to say something or create something to like make people think. I think as an artist, it's my duty. I think it's my belief. I'm not saying that every artist has to do the same thing that I do. I'm just saying that me personally, because I created this cricket animation long before the protest. Protest has started, but before like they took Sonam Wangchuk and stuff, and I was about to upload this animation, but I started doubting myself. Like I didn't feel like this is the type of animation that I should be creating, because I have been creating animations like this one, this one, like all these types of animation, but these animation have been only like 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds or 10 seconds, or just like this illustration. But I want to go all out with like my thoughts and my beliefs, and I know that if my art can force one person to like think and like change if my art can change even one person's heart, then I want to do that. And like there is lots of things now. Women's security is a joke. It's a big joke in India. Like I have experienced this, and I know lots of girls have experienced this, and most importantly, the short film that I was creating is about women's safety. After like I started working on that movie when the Unnao case, the rapist who got bail and stuff, and I got like really furious after like seeing, and there was not only that person, there were lots of cases that I think there are I should I will show some of the cases. Like these cases I was following at that time, and I like started creating them. And I at that time I thought my movie was like a little extreme. I'm showing it like more with more क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब मैं ज़्यादा उसको डेंजरस बना रही थी जितना डेंजरस वो दिख नहीं रहा था, मगर अब जैसे जैसे चीज़ें हो रही हैं आ रही है, और मैं पहले उतना अवेयर नहीं थी, लेकिन अब जैसे जैसे मैं और अवेयर होते जा रही हूँ ना, तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि वो जो शॉर्ट फिल्म जिसमें मैं मॉन्स्टर्स दिखा रही थी, जिसमें मैं स्टोरी बता के स्पॉइल नहीं करना चाहती, लेकिन it's a really deep film, and I while I was making that film, I started doubting myself. I started making this one because while I was making that film, I was constantly looking through like cases and stuff, and I got like really drained. I very depressing, it is stressful, and at that time I started feeling like really unhappy, and it was affecting me, but I have not given up on that film. I am still working on that film. I will upload that film by like next month maybe, because I am doing the line art right now, and after the line art, it's the coloring process that takes time. It takes lots of time. Yeah, like if I am doing this all alone now, so it takes lots of time. I'm sorry, I started yapping, but yeah, it is important now. It is like really important for like artists like us who also follow like current issues and stuff to really talk about them. Like the the thing is, a 15-year-old girl used like gali, and it became like a really big issue. A 15-year-old, a teenager, and similarly a 15-year-old girl who got gang raped, and like brutally gang raped, and it didn't become a national news, and people uh, talk about rape cases like it's normal now. With like the people I talk with na, they women, आई डोंट हैव अ वर्ड, मतलब मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है कि मैं बता सकूं कि मैं रियली कैसा फील करती हूँ, लेकिन माई आर्ट स्पीक्स बेटर देन मी. दैट्स वाई आई ऑलवेज से दैट माई आर्ट स्पीक्स बेटर देन मी, एंड दैट्स वाई आई वॉन्ट टू speak through my art, like really truly want to speak through my art. And the short film is like really important for me. I will show you the film, and I think after this 50 something second video about cricket that I don't even watch, but yeah, I thought like at that time I thought like lots of people enjoy cricket, so let's make something inspired by cricket. But yeah, I made that one. So yeah, I just want, deep down I want to make something that will affect people's heart, like an emotional weapon. Like I want to use my art as a weapon. I have make this reels, you can say, because animation takes time. Animation takes months, to be honest. If you are making a 30-second video and you want to show like a really good animation, for example this one, so this animation took me 2 weeks. Even this Luffy one also took me like 1 week. I don't know, 1 week, less than 1 week, but it took me time. And it took me time because I less time because I didn't add like all the detailings and stuff. And this manual scavenging one was like one of the first one that I did because I witnessed it. I saw a man doing this, and it's like really heartbreaking. Now, like there are lots of people, lots of human, but humanity is like really rare to find. And now after like Jantar Mantar, we see people questioning more and more, and it's like I really respect all the people and everyone who likes, who is questioning and who is supporting them, because for even to support them is to is for me कि आपके पास spine है. Because to be honest, maybe I am being too brutal with this by saying this, but I used to think that the elder peoples, the people like the Andhvaks and all the people who support government like they are gods or something, non-biological gods and something. So I used to think they are just people who have no spine, and they just bend and say, "Sir, spank me. Spank me as hard as you can." Like what the fuck do you? They don't look. They are so blind. Like they will say, "Spank me as hard as you want, and I'll vote for you again and again and again," because I'm that blind. I'm that blind. Like, I don't want to say who said this to me, but they say the word Deshbhakt, they use patriotism to excuse supporting the government who is not even supporting them, who is like, see now this, see all these thing, and tell me we are like the one of the largest economy. How can you say that? Like you have to have some screw loose to say something like that and to be someone's bhakt. Or I'm not even going to talk about the religion thing, because everyone knows like how stupid that is. Like I'm really, if I could, I want to support everyone. Like even I was feeling guilty. I am feeling guilty. I'm feeling sad that I don't have a that type of financial stability or have money to support like the people in Assam, that those people need help. Like even in like all this, there's so many things now. And if I start to talk about the women's issue, then this video will like keep going and going. This video will be so long. Like I sometimes when I'm creating the short film that I'm creating, while I was creating it, I just like started imagining like the 10-year-old, the 11-year-old, 12-year-old, 15-year-old girls, 13-year-old girls, not even 13 years, 9 and 8-year-old girls who are looking at you. Like it takes guts. Like it takes like so much to like even say that something bad has happened to you, like if and this is a time where like we are losing not we have already lost all the trust. Like how will that child will ever trust anyone ever again? That 6-year-old, 7-year-old, 15-year-old, like just imagine all those girls looking at you to like looking at you because you are like someone older than them, and they are looking for answers. They ask you a question, a question like where is justice or something like that, or they will question you, why didn't you stand up for us, why didn't you stood up for us, or something like that. Like your heart will break, your heart will literally break. I think about my sisters now, and personally I know that talking about all this thing, and जब तुम्हारे साथ ही वो चीज़ हुई होती है और फिर तुम उसके बारे में किसी को बताओ, किसी को शेयर करो, बिकॉज आई हैव मेट गर्ल्स, आई से गर्ल्स, बिकॉज सम गर्ल्स दे स्टार दे मतलब वो बहुत मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रही गर्ल्स क्योंकि बट आई हैव आई एम सॉरी बट या आई थिंक I speak better through my art, and my art speaks better than me, and that's the only excuse I will. That's like something I'll keep saying, because I will try to be someone like other our YouTubers or commentary channel, but I know I will not be able to, because you they do it so well, and when they have all this data and they will explain everything to you, just go and watch them. If my art inspires like anyone, just let me know. I'll create even more. I'll create even more art, and I just want you to subscribe and like. That's the only support I need to like keep going, so that I can know that you want me to create more. You want me to like keep creating these arts, and that's all I want. Just let me know by liking and subscribing, or if you want, just share my art with other people's. In Instagram I get views, but Instagram don't pay me, and so that's why I started YouTube, so that I can monetize the channel and get something, because everyone needs money and support. I I am I really truly want to keep creating things like this. Right now I have not released my short film, so that may make you doubt me, like she's just talking all this shit and not really giving anything. But trust me, just trust me, and come see my journey, or maybe our journey, because you will support me. So this will become our journey if you like and subscribe and share all the video that I created with your friends, with your family, or right now you can check out some of the reels. I have posted the same reels in as a YouTube shorts, but I have also posted them in Instagram, so you can check out my art, judge me, and then give me feedback, and then you can tell me which topic I need to focus on and more focus on. And because I know as a woman issue is like a serious issue, the crime, the rapes, and the murders, because I have experienced sexual harassment. I believe most of the girls have experienced sexual harassment, maybe more than that, and it takes lots of guts, and like I don't know the word to use here, but it takes that to go and file an FIR or go and say that I need help, help me, or that this person did this to me. Because in the system like this, where you will rarely see justice, in this case, in the cases like rape cases, because dude, I saw, I think the girl was 10-year-old girl, and as she got sexually assaulted by a pandit, and people were like clapping and like singing to support the rapist. And we see all this thing, we see Asaram Bapu, we see all these people, and also the wrestler, the protest that happened. I am not sure. I'll put it here. So this happened, and how will you trust a system like that? Huh? And I know, because I, as a woman, I can say who who lives like separately from her parents, and I just want to help. I want to help with anything I can. I have, all I have is art. Because how can you, it feels like a wishful thinking when you start thinking about making a career in art in India, where while you are scrolling and Instagram and seeing, oh, this animation look good, oh, this art looks good, oh, ये भी कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है, and then you see a case, or you see like a road filled with water, or people like struggling to go anywhere, or like they have brutally killed tree. Sorry, why did I use brutally killed? Cut the trees, and all these people are affected. The flood in Assam, the use of pellet guns on protester, calling the students terrorists, and all this stuff. Like, how will you not create an art about it? Like, this is all the thing I'm consuming, this is all the thing I'm seeing everywhere. So that's what I'll think about now, that's what I'll want to create. And when I try to create something, like I created this cricket animation like long before that, but while I was posting it, when I decided to post it, I started feeling guilty. Like, I really was feeling guilty, and and I didn't get views. That's also a thing. After posting, I didn't get views, but yeah, that just proves now, because that's not something I should be talking about right now. Cricketers are not talking about any of this thing, and making something inspired by cricket that I don't even watch makes no sense to me also. But I made this to like entertain others, but no one is entertained by it. But yeah, animation is really good. I am impressed by myself, and I saw like some mistakes in like frames, and I made the line in lots of mistakes I noticed after creating. And while I was like, it's been like weeks now. After weeks, when I watched it again, I noticed some of the mistakes, and I think in future the animations are going to be a lot better than that. I have become much faster than I was before in animation, so I think the animation I'll be posting next, I'm sure that the animations that will come after this one will be amazing, and I really hope you will support me, because no one can do anything alone. I have been creating all this thing alone, and as a struggling artist, I have struggled for years and still struggling, and I know that you have to ask for help, and I'm asking you to help me to grow. So please help me, subscribe, like, share it with your friends. It will really help me, and tell me your story if you want. If you have a story that is need to be heard, I will make an animation about it. I am not going to use AI. I do not promote AI. With when I say AI, I mean generative AI. No, I am not, because it is affecting our environment, nature, water, air. So it is affecting water a lot, and we don't need that right now. So just let me know. I'll make an original art with human touch. Because you can differentiate between an AI art or art made by a real artist, a person, because there is something that AI can never copy. There is this creativity that us human have. They Because we pour our emotion in our art. Our art consumes us. The art comes after, like, thinking and all this. I don't know how to explain it, but this is like, it comes and then we put it in a paper, or like create an animation. So that's a magic of art. And if it's like a real art, it will affect people. It will make people question stuff, and I really want to make people question. Like, question. Nothing is going to happen to you. Just question. Maybe something will happen to you, but still question. Because that's what you're supposed to be doing as a person, as a citizen. And me, as an artist, this is my duty to show and to create. Make my art political. Make art about issues, raise issues that, and use my art as a weapon to change people's way. Like in the past, in history, art has been something that has been like really effective. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. So I'm just asking to please like and support me. I want to keep creating, and I want to keep creating. I don't want to stop, but I am also broke. I have nothing. I want to show what is really need to be shown. Like, if you are a fan of an anime like One Piece or Naruto, and because I was watching Naruto like fifth time while all these things happen, and your heart will not stop. Your heart will force you to make an animation about it. Your heart will force you to do something because you get inspired by such animes. And yeah, One Piece is a political anime, because it's like literally they are fighting against with government and stuff, and they are pirates. But yeah, it depends on how you see it, but that's how I see it, and it motivates me a lot. And they will be like Naruto or Luffy. Just imagine, they will be disappointed on me, disappointed with me. मतलब उनको डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होगा कि मैं क्यों नहीं यूज़ कर रही अपना क्रिएटिविटी इस चीज़ के लिए. लाइक any character you take na, Asta or like any of them, what will they do? They'll do the same thing. They'll use whatever they have to help other people, and I don't have money to like financially support anyone or support them by you just see the state of education in our country. the roads, see hospitals. Like, we do not deserve that. No one deserves that type of life, not even poor people. And everyone who can help someone should help someone. That's humanity. And as an artist, the only thing I have is my art and creativity. And that's a weapon to me, for me. Sorry, that's a weapon that I can use to change other people. And I believe with my whole heart that my art is something that can influence people a lot. You can check out my art, and if you want to give me feedbacks, I am all open for that, even for criticism. Just I want you to think, and if my art makes you think, then let me know what you are thinking. But don't abuse, don't use abusive word and threats towards me, because I am a sensitive person. But yeah, so that's what I want. And I just started yapping and I forgot what I was talking about. Yeah, we added base color. Intro was a little annoying, but I was trying to do something new, and I was trying to be funny. But yeah, if you didn't laugh, I'm sorry. But yeah, so this was supposed to be the hair explosion video where I am showing you how to explode heads. Look, if there is a rapist, just imagine him. He's a rapist, explode his head. Boom. Pedophile, boom. Someone who is making jokes about the Epstein file or like rape jokes, boom. And what else can I say? The corruption, boom. The num. I should not say that now. Not boom boom. It's like you are annoyed about a 15-year-old using an abusive word, but you are not annoyed about, or you are not concerned. Like, you go and search how many rape cases are there, and you will see these numbers like 8, 9, 12, 15, 16. These are the number you will see. Or sometimes you will see animals, bro. There are animals. The animals are not even safe. Should they be wearing clothes too now to be safe? You are like they say now, what was she wearing? Like, bro, seriously, a dog is not safe in this country, and you are talking what was she wearing? Like, seriously. I am trying to stop myself from yapping, but I just keep yapping. But forgive me for that. Forgive me for that. But yeah, it is annoying. It is like really annoying. I know lots of people who have not even filed an FIR against these shitheads. Stop justifying all this thing by saying what was she wearing. The clothes doesn't matter, it's their mentality. Bro, I don't even wanna say all this stuff, but someone has to say all this word. But I know that my art can speak better than me, and I know that I'll probably be sound stupid if I start talking even more and more and go in depth with all and by talking about all these stuff. But just wait for my short film. It will explain everything and everything. This has to change. Women are human too. Like, I know, because I just isolate myself and work all day. I don't go out, but whenever I go out, but when I had job, you don't feel safe outside your house. You don't. As a girl, even like even the safest place in the country is not safe. I don't know which place is the safest place, but I'm just saying that's how big of a problem it is, because probably the safest place for a girl would be their home house, but the cases there are that will make you believe other things that are opposite of that. So something has to change, and I want to be a part of that that something and I want to be someone who will be able to force people to change the way they think by using my art. I think I should just stop yapping now, but I really hope with my whole heart that you will subscribe and like and share this video. Help me. We should help each other. Goodbye.